Happy victorious 31st anniversary JIL Taiwan. It's such a great honor and privilege na makabati po sa inyo ang inyong empleyado dito sa Senado, Senator Joel Villanueva. Nais ko po unang batiin ang aking mga kaibigan at minamahal po nating pastor, Pastor Edgar Valdoria, Pastora Resilyn Valdoria, ang kanyang buong pamilya, at ang lahat po ng ating mga kapastoran dyan sa Taiwan, sa ating mga leaders, workers, members, at syempre ang mahal na mahal kong mga CYNs. Napakaganda po ng inyong tema ngayong taon na ito as you celebrate God's goodness and faithfulness to JIL Church there in Taiwan. Ang sabi po ng tema ninyo, Thy Kingdom Come. And it's found in the book of Matthew chapter 6 verse 10. It says, Thy kingdom come, Thy will be done in earth as it is in heaven. Napakasarap po na mag-submit po tayo. I-submit natin yung ating will, yung ating pong endeavors, yung ating pong careers, yung ating pong mga goals in life, yung what we wanted to achieve in life. Napakasarap i-submit doon sa kagustuhan ng Panginoon. Dahil sabi din po niya doon sa Jeremiah 29:11, For I know my plans for you, and those plans of the Lord is not there to harm you or to discredit you, but plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future. Kaya naniniwala po ako, as we submit to the will of our God, tayo pong lahat ay hindi magkukulang. We shall not want. If He is our shepherd, we shall not lack. Kaya po naniniwala ako na as we submit ourselves to the Lord, hindi po siya magkukulang, hindi rin tayo magkukulang. Laging sagana ang buhay, laging may kalakasan, laging may kagalingan, laging may kapayapaan na hindi kayang ibigay ng mundong ito. Kaya po muli sa inyong lahat na JIL people sa Taiwan, happy victorious anniversary and may God bless you all.